If you're looking to upgrade your home in West Valley City, few improvements make as dramatic an impact as bay windows. Known for their elegant design and ability to extend outward from your home's exterior, bay windows combine beauty, functionality, and energy performance in one stunning feature. Whether you're remodeling your living room or planning a larger renovation, installing bay windows offers a range of benefits that enhance both your daily comfort and your home's long-term value. Expanding your living space. One of the most noticeable advantages of bay windows is the way they create additional interior space. Because they project outward, bay windows form a small nook inside your home. In West Valley City homes, this extra space can become a cozy reading corner, a window seat, or even a decorative display area. Even a few extra feet can make a room feel more open and inviting. If your living room or dining area feels tight, bay windows provide a creative way to add dimension without undergoing a major structural expansion. Bringing in more natural light transforms the atmosphere of a room. Bay windows are designed with 3 panels, a large center window and 2 angled side windows, allowing sunlight to enter from multiple directions. During West Valley City's colder months, additional natural light can make your home feel warmer and brighter. In the summer, modern glass options help control heat while still allowing ample daylight. A brighter interior reduces the need for artificial lighting during the day and creates a welcoming environment for family and guests. Showcasing beautiful views. Bay windows offer panoramic views that standard flat windows simply can't match. The angled side panels expand your perspective, giving you a broader look at your yard, neighborhood, or surrounding scenery. For homeowners in West Valley City, where outdoor landscapes can be especially beautiful throughout the seasons, bay windows create a stronger visual connection to the outdoors. Instead of feeling closed in, your living space feels more open and connected to nature. Enhancing curb appeal from the outside, bay windows add architectural interest and depth to your home's facade. They create a focal point that enhances curb appeal and distinguishes your property from others in the neighborhood. Available in a variety of materials, finishes, and styles, bay windows can be customized to match your home's architectural design. Whether your home is traditional or contemporary, this upgrade elevates its overall appearance. For homeowners considering resale in the future, improved curb appeal can also increase buyer interest. Improving energy efficiency. Modern bay windows are built with energy-efficient technology designed to handle West Valley City's seasonal temperature swings. Double or triple pane glass, insulated frames, and low-E coatings help reduce heat transfer. During winter, these features help keep warm air inside. In summer, they limit excess heat from entering your home. The result is improved indoor comfort and potentially lower heating and cooling costs. Professional installation ensures proper sealing and alignment, maximizing performance and preventing drafts. Increasing home value. Bay windows are considered a premium feature in many homes. Their combination of style, functionality, and energy performance adds tangible value to your property. Prospective buyers often appreciate the added space and natural light, viewing bay windows as both a design upgrade and a lifestyle enhancement. Even if you're not planning to sell anytime soon, investing in bay windows improves your home's appeal and long-term value. A beautiful and practical upgrade. Installing bay windows in your West Valley City home offers more than aesthetic benefits. They expand your space, brighten your interior, enhance views, and improve energy efficiency, all while adding character to your home's exterior. If you're ready to make a meaningful upgrade that blends beauty and performance, bay windows are a smart and lasting investment that you'll enjoy for years to come.